So the other day I was asked, can we program a promotion in Infinity where if a customer buys a particular SKU, they will get another SKU for free. So maybe they're going to buy a living room and they're going to get a microwave for free automatically when they buy that living room. And then they further asked if we can add a step up microwave. So rather than the free microwave, maybe they can spend, oh, let's say $50 and get a little better microwave. Is there a way to do that? And actually, there is. It is outside of the promotion setup of InfinityX. However, we can use a couple of other features in InfinityX to create this type of promotion. So there are a few steps to go through, but I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right. So what we're going to do here, this is going to be if they buy a particular bedroom set, they can get a 43-inch television for free. Or if they pay an additional $300, we can bump them up to a 65-inch television set. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the individual SKUs uh, that are going to be the premiums, the free one or the step up television. One more, and let me put that SKU in. All right. So there is this SKU that we're going to give away. It's a 43-inch television that sells for $399.99, and we're going to give it away for free when they buy a bedroom set. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the price of this to 1 penny. Infinity does not allow a price of 0, even though it will show on the invoice as free, and I'll show you why. Anytime you put a 1 penny in here, you also have to uh, change the special indicator down here, and you have to put FD for full discount. And I'll show you. If I tried to do it without um, making that, it's going to tell me that the retail price is 1 penny. The SKU must use special indicator FD full discount. So I'm going to go down here in special indicator. I can put it in any one of these, and I look for FD, and there it is, full discount. That special indicator is now attached to this SKU. Okay, so anyone that sells it, it's going to be for free. So it's probably a good time to explain that if you're going to run these kinds of promotions where there's a penny SKU, but you still have that television out on the floor at the regular price for somebody not in the promotion, if the salesperson enters it, it's going to come out at 1 cent. What we suggest you do is you take a chunk of these televisions that you're going to give away, create a new SKU number, and have your accounting department or whoever does that there do a shortage of one and an overage of the other, or you can receive them when you get them from the vendor that way. That way, you're going to have the same model number, but under two different SKUs. One you could sell regularly and one in the promotion. Okay? So that's the first giveaway that we're doing. The other SKU, which would be the step up, let's see. Let me do a new SKU here. Let me put that one in. 601. All right, so you can see that we normally sell that one for $799.99. However, since it's replacing the other free television, if the customer wants to pay a little extra, we're going to put what we will charge to do that step up. Okay, so that's all we need to do there. Again, if you have this on the floor regularly and somebody sells it without being in that free promotion, it's going to come out at 300. So you might want to manage that part of it. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use. I told you we're going to use a couple of different features in Infinity to create this. We're going to use what is the step up category in Infinity Advantage. And if you go to any SKU, right here, this button here, you can add step-up categories. And what step-up categories do is it will display for the salesperson additional similar items. So you might have step-ups on, let's say you had refrigerators and you had a good, better, best. If the salesperson sold one of those items that are identified that way, when at the time of the sale, it would give them that selection of that good, better, best in case they wanted to step the customer up, or maybe the credit wasn't good and they wanted to step the customer down. So you can make additionals. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to make a new step up category, and we're going to call it free TV. Okay, and now here's my area for the good, the better, and the best. I'm only going to have two in here this time. And it's going to be the two televisions on that were the one we're giving away and then one we're significantly discounting. That's that one. And then I'm going to put, and you can see that displays it here for you, and you can see that it's going to come out at 1 cent. And then the next one, okay. And anytime you do this, you see you can put quite a few items on here to display for the salesperson if that's what you want to do. Okay, so now we've got that created. We've got two items in that step up category, and so now the way we're going to let Infinity know that when they sell that bedroom set, to go ahead and give the free television or let them buy that step up for $300 is to use one more item in Infinity, or one more feature of Infinity that allows accessories to be attached to items and displayed to the salesperson so they can add that to a sale if they want to. So here I'm gonna put the item that you need to sell to get the free television. Okay. And again, in that same area right here, you see where it says accessory. This is going to allow me to add accessories to this item. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the one giveaway television in there. And so when that pops up, it'll actually allow the salesperson to go in and see the step up too, because remember, we put it in so those two are linked to each other in the step ups. So let's see. 601, 3. Okay, and there's that free television. All right, so now we have created everything we need to do in order for this to work, if we did it right. So I'm going to then take you to a sale that I already got started here, and I'm at the point where I need to enter the SKU I'm selling. So it's going to be the bedroom. All right, and you can see right away when I pop that bedroom in there, it popped this screen up here for me saying which is an accessory for this item, and it is a suggested accessory. So you can see that it's at 1 penny, and all I have to do is click on select if I'm the salesperson, and OK, save. And you can see it added it to the invoice here for 1 penny. And when it prints on the contract, it will actually be a no cost. Okay, so now what if if this was it, this is what the customer wanted, I just click payment method, go and make the payment, or run finalize a sale, take them to cashiers, and they're done. But let's say that now we offer the customer, would you like to have that 65-inch television instead of that 43-inch television? And he says yes. Then right over here, where let's see, we're going to go to the steps here. Actually, remember we set up a step for this, and when I bring that up, there it is. It's showing me the one that I'm at right now, that 1 penny item. But here's the step up for $300. They can now step up to this television. And if I click select, what should happen is it should now change the SKU, which it did, to the 65-inch television for $300 additional. And again, if that's all I'm doing, I'm going to let the system know how I'm going to pay for it. And here, I'll go ahead and do that. Well, here's for the warranty. I'm going to say we're not going to buy a warranty this time. And yep, this is for the furniture protection. Let's skip it this time. And should bring up my payment screen. Let's say yes, we're going to pay for it cash. We're going to post the sale. Say yes. And it's creating the sales receipt. Let's preview that sales receipt. And there it is. There's the bedroom for $1499.99. We added the step up to the free television for $300. And that's it. We are done. That is the way you run a promotion where if they buy something, they get something for free or can even step up from that free item. Thanks for listening.